Hey everyone, today I just got a quick video on how you're going to be able to program these Noma outdoor timer, block heater, plug-in timers, whatever. So basically you want to get it into programming mode. So this R button here, take a pin or a key or something and hit that if it's not already in it. And it's going to start flashing C. So C is going to be the current time. So for me here, it is about 8:30. So you're going to hit hour. So this is 1 a.m. So just you can hit it, hold it down, whatever. So we're going to cycle it through till we hit 8:30 p.m. So now you can see the p.m. lit up, so it is p.m. And let's get over to 8:30. So there's 8. There's 8:30. So that's the current time. So once your current time is set, you hit the program button. So it's going to say P, and that's when you want it to start. So for a block heater timer, say run it around 3 hours usually. So for me, I'm going to say 4:30, maybe 5. Let's go 4:30 a.m. and we're going to hit program. So that means it starts at 4:30 a.m. and it's going to say E for when it ends. So you could say whatever time you usually leave in the day. I'm going to do 9. Just some days I leave a little bit later. And yeah, that's all it does. So you can see right here it says your current time. And if you want to turn this on and use it as straight power, so you don't want it on a timer, all you hit is hit program. And it'll basically just say O for on. And that'll stay on for I don't know how long, but it'll stay on for a little bit and then it'll shut itself off. But yeah, that's basically all you do to program this device here. And yeah, hope that helped you out, and good luck.